I was doing a cash out refi. I had a client that needed $50,000. Had the whole loan set up. They were in kind of a hard place, and they needed the money. I think there was some family stuff they had to get straightened out. They're going to take care of a couple credit cards. This was going to help reset their life. Like, it was going to put them back on track and get them to a good place. We closed the mortgage. So we closed. And on refinances, you've got to wait 3 days after a refinance before you get funded. It's called a rescission period. It's like a cooling off period. Well, during the cooling off period, they won the lottery. So they hit a Georgia lottery. They came into $250,000.
No way.
And so I get a call that, hey, we want to rescind our mortgage. And when you're a sales guy, a loan officer, and somebody makes that call, you're like, you got to do everything you can to like no, do not undo this. No, don't do it, please. Like, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Yeah. But we talk it through, and they're like, no, we came into this money. It's a God thing. It's amazing, and it's like, I get it. It makes sense. I'll process it. We'll send it in. We'll undo it. I'm like, but are you sure? Because you had a lot of things going on, and you are going to have to pay taxes on this money. Like that, you don't have to pay now, I don't think, but at some point you're going to have to pay. No, this is going to be more than enough. Even if half the money goes to taxes, we'll be fine. Well, lo and behold, they get it. We don't do the mortgage. Not a year later, they call back and ask me if I can do the loan for them again. No. And unfortunately, the answer was no, because somehow, even coming into that $250,000, their credit, which was already in a bad spot, and I was going to help try to clean some things up and put them in a better place, it had amplified and gotten significantly worse to the point of where they couldn't even qualify. They had the equity in their house, but they couldn't even get the money. And so I had to tell them no.